Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we will start last exercise of 13th chapter, 13.8. In this chapter, in this exercise, we will use these two formula: volume of sphere and volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere is like a ball, yes. So what is volume? Volume means how much water it can hold. What is capacity of this ball? Okay, and same as it is, volume of sphere means how much water it can hold and what is the capacity of sphere. Volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and volume of hemisphere half of this one. So divide by 2, 2 cut ja 4. So 2 divided by 3 pi r cube. So 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now we will do first question. Find the volume of a sphere of radius is. So we will write radius of volume is 7 centimeter. The volume of sphere. What is formula? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3. 4 by 3 you know. Pi we know 22 by 7. R 7 into multiply 7 into 7. And we will find, and answer will become centimeter cube. That is very easy question. First question you can do yourself. Both part A and B part. Next question is second question. Find the amount of water. Find the amount of water displaced by a solid hemispherical ball of the diameter. It is given. It is a spherical ball. Oh, okay. Find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball. Suppose it is a spherical ball, okay, and this ball is full of water, okay, it is full of water, and it is given how much water is displaced. So it means when we will put this sphere on this ball, it means some water has come outside or not, and how much water will come outside? The total volume of the water equal to the how much volume of sphere. Understand or not? Always remember, suppose if I throw this ball in a well, okay, or in a pond, so it means how much water is displaced by this ball equal to the volume of this sphere. Understand? So always whenever in any question examiner asks, find the how much water is displaced, how much milk is displaced, so it means we have to find the volume of this sphere. So write only one part I will explain. B part. What is radius of spherical ball? How much? Radius is given 0.21 meter. Understand or? And we have to find the amount of water is displaced. So write amount of water is displaced by ball. How much? Equal to the volume of ball. Always write how much water is displaced. So what is the volume of ball? This is displaced by 4. So what is volume of sphere? Ball is a sphere. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi 22 by 7 r 0.21. To remove decimal, what we can write? 21 divided by 100. 21 divided by 100. 21 divided by 100. Now 7 3 cancel 3. Whenever all are 0 in denominator, no need to cut because we can write in decimal easily. Okay, so multiply it. 4 into 22 multiply 21 multiply 21 441. And how many 0 in denominator? 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now multiply. 22 table is very important. Okay, if we will do multiply 22 into 4, 88, and it is very difficult to multiply 88 into 441. So first we will multiply by 4. One smaller number, one is bigger. So 22 into 1, 22. 2, 22 for the 88, 88 plus 2 90, 22 for the 88, 88 plus 9 97, divide by 4 6 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 4 to the 8, 4 0 0, 4 7 the 8, 28, 9 4 the 36, 38. Understand or not? And how much 0 is given? Meter. So we have to find the water. Radius is 21. So it means how many 0? So 6 0 after. That means what is volume? 0.038 meter cube of the ball. That means how much water is displaced? 0.0. This one. Understand or not? Otherwise it is meter cube. We can change in liter also. Understand or not? So second question, B part it is. 13.8 spherical ball of diameter. What is the answer? Answer is 0.04851. I think we did mistake. Okay. 21 1 ja 21, 22 to the 40, this one. 22 to the 22, 90, this one, and 60, 21, 8, 88. What is the answer? I think B part is 13.8, 0.004851. So where we did, I think answer is given is wrong. Okay, so you can check it. 4 by 3 pi r cube. 3 cut by 7, 7 cancel. 3 into 7 21, 21 cancel 21. And the next is given 21 multiply 21, 441. 4 into 22, 2460. It's okay. Now 22 into multiply by 440, 22 into 1, 22, 22 for the 88, 90, 22 and 97. Now 4 to the 8, 40, 28. It's right. Okay, it is your answer. Okay, next question. Next is question number 3. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4 point. Metallic ball. Ball is made by metallic. Ball is like a sphere. So write diameter. So first we write find radius. So radius of metallic ball. How much? 4.2 divided by 2 and remove decimal. How much? It is given or not? Because radius is given. How much? 4.2 diameter is, so it's become 2.1 centimeters. Okay. Next is what is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is this one? Mass. We have to find how much this ball is made by metal. Okay. We have to find its mass. Mass means weight. So weight how will you find? So first we will find its volume. So right. Find volume of metallic ball. Ball is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and I think 4 upon 3 it is pi. 22 by 7, 21 divided by 10, 21 divided by 10, 21 divided by 10. 3 into 7, 21. I think it is become like same as it is the previous question, because 21 into 21, 4 into 22 into 441 divided by 30. But in last question we have given 60 in denominator. Now, so 4 multiply 22 to the 22, 22 for the 80, 88, 82 09 and 970 divided by 30, and it is 4 to the 8, 0, 8, 38 divided by 30. So 0.8. So 38.0, and what is given? Centimeter cube. Centimeter or meter? Centimeter cube. and in the question is given we have to find mass. Always remember one formula. Mass, how will you find? Mass is always equal to the, not mass, what is given? Density. What is the mass of the ball if the density is given? So always remember this formula. Density is always equal to, the mass divided by volume. Remember this formula, note down it. Density always equal to mass divided by volume. Understand or not? But we want to find mass. So mass, how will you find? Mass equal to density. So if you want to mass, volume on the other side, multiply. So mass is always equal to density into volume. Okay, I think you already learned this. You will learn this formula in chemistry and physics also. Okay, so this one, so we have to find. And what is given? The metal, the density of the metal is, what is given? 8.9 gram per centimeter. So right. So I am writing here density of 1 gram centimeter cube is how much? How much? 8.9 gram. 8.9 gram. So it means mass. Find mass. Mass equal to how much density? What is the density of 1 gram of centimeter cube? How much? Per gram centimeter. Density of 1 centimeter cube, how much given? 1 centimeter cube is 8.9, and what is total volume? 38.808, and multiply it, it is come gram. It is your answer of the third question. So remember this formula, density equal to mass divided by volume. Understand it? So do this question also. The next is the diameter of the moon. The diameter of the moon, it is suppose moon, same as this question we already finished. A moon and it is earth. Everyone know earth is, the size of the earth is greater than moon. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. It means if diameter of earth is 4, the diameter of earth is 1 upon 1/4. Okay, to write, let diameter of earth, how much is d? Same as it is, therefore diameter of moon, how much? What is given? The diameter of the moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. Earth is how much? D. So d into 1, d. So d upon 4. So 1/4. Okay. So now it is earth given and it is moon. So next is given, what fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon? Yes, moon is also a sphere, it is also a sphere. So we need radius, 4/3 pi r cube. So first we will find radius. Radius of earth is suppose r1. How much? Radius is always half of diameter. Yes, same as it is. Radius of moon is equal to r2. How much? Half of this one. So d by 4 into divided by 2. So how much become? D by 8. Understand? And we have to find the ratios of the volume. So write volume of moon and ratios whose? Volume of earth. We have to find. Everyone. What is volume of moon? 4/3 pi r. radius of a moon r2 cube 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube. Yes, 4 upon 3 cancel, 4 upon 3 pi cancel, pi. Can you cut r2 and r1 also? No, because r2 is different and r1 is different. So now, so next question, so next what we will do? So we will write r2 cube. r2 is how much? D upon 8 cube. Now it is divide sign. Now r1 d upon 2 r cube. So what we write? So we can write d cube upon 8 cube 5 1 2 and now divide. So d cube 2 cube is 8. Now what we'll do? First and 4 multiply, second and third. Why? Look at, everyone know, we in 7th class we already learned 7 divide by, suppose 7 divide 8 and divide 2 divide 5. How will write? It is meaning same as it is. It is 7 divide by 8 and big sign, it is 2 upon 5. So what we will do? Always remember, in 7th class we already learned 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8 and it is big divide. So divide 2 upon 5. So how will we open it? So we will solve it 7 upon 8 and when we change divide in multiplication, numerator become denominator. So always we will write reciprocal or not. So it means, look at 7 first and 4 multiply, 7 into 5, second and third. So always like this one, if it is come, so always first and fourth multiply. It means it is goes on numerator. So d cube into 8 and d cube, second and third. So देखो second 8 into 2, 8 into 2. Understand? So d cube into 5 1 2. So d cube cancel d cube. Yes. So what is 8 ones are 8. So it is come 64. So what is ratio? Ratio is 1 upon 64. So it is meaning, first we write volume of moon equal to volume of earth. How much? Is 1 upon 64. But we want to find the volume of the what fraction of the volume of the moon is equal to the volume of this one. Otherwise you can write like this one is volume of earth, divide another side, multiply. So you can write volume of moon equal to, it is another side, multiply volume of earth multiply 1 upon 60. Volume of earth into 1, any number 1. So what is? So it is volume. So it is 1 upon, otherwise you can write 1 upon 64. The volume of moon is the 1 upon 64th times of volume of earth. It is our answer. Understand or not? Volume of moon 4 pi 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube. R1, R2 and R2 both, R2 and R1 both are different radius. 4 by 3 cancel, 4 by 3 pi cancel, pi. R2 is how much? D upon 8 cube and R1 D upon 2 cube. So D cube 8 cube 5 on 2, D cube 8 cube. Now how will you solve? First and fourth. D1 D cube into 8. Like this one we can solve. Always when we write 7 upon, like this one or not, 7 divide 8. 7 divide 8, 2 upon 5. It means 7 upon 8 and now divide 2 upon 8. When we write in multiplication, always reciprocal and it is so. It is your answer 1 upon 64. Okay. It means when volume of earth is 64, the volume of moon is 1. Understand it? Next question. Next is question number 5. How many liter of milk can be a hemispherical bowl? It is a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 how much milk, how many liters of milk it can hold. It is centimeter or meter cube? It is centimeter. So liter, how will you find? So it means how much water it can hold, how much milk. So it means we will find volume of hemispherical. Volume of hemispherical 2 upon 3 pi r cube. R from we will find from here. It is diameter, radius we can find. And last answer will come centimeter cube. But we have to find how much liters of milk. We have to find in liters. So liter always remember 1000. It is in centimeter cube. So 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So it's mean, and 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So whatever it is come, when you solve it, we will divide by 1 by 1000. It is come in liter. Okay. Do yourself this question. Easy questions. Very. We already do many questions same as it is. Next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet. A tank is shape is like this hemisphere. Okay, iron sheet made up of an iron sheet of thick 1 centimeter. If the inner radius means suppose it is a ball. Okay, it is a hemisphere and it's made by a plastic, but some thickness of the plastic also. So one is inner radius, one is outer radius. Okay. Find the volume of the iron used to make. So we have to find how much plastic is used to make it. So like this one. It is okay. Look at like this one. This hemispherical is made up of iron. Okay. And its thickness. This thickness is how much? 1. The thickness is 1 meter. Not 1 meter. It is given 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter. And inner radius is. So tell me, inner radius 1 meter and its thickness is 1 centimeter. So how much total outer radius from here to here? How much? 1 meter plus 1 centimeter. Find the volume of the iron and tell me, iron is used only here because plastic is only outside and this one or not? So this one, how will you find the volume of this iron? How will you find volume of the same as it is question we already finished? Volume of the outer hemisphere minus volume of the inner. If we will if we take if we will take the volume of this one outer hemisphere minus volume of inner hemisphere, so what is remain? Only this one is remain. So first we will find radius of both. To write inner radius of hemisphere. Inner radius of hemisphere. How much given? 1 meter. Same as it is, we will find outer radius of hemisphere 1 meter plus 1 centimeter. So we will 1 plus 1 2. No, it is 1 is meter, 1 is centimeter. So both we will change in meter. So 1 meter plus 1 centimeter means 0.01. So it will become 1.0 meter. And now we want to find the volume of iron sheet. How will you find? So it means volume of, it is you can write R1 and it is you can write R2. Volume of outer hemisphere minus volume of inner hemisphere. Okay. The volume of outer radius R2. So 2 upon 3 pi R2 cube minus 2 upon 3 pi R1 cube. What is common? 2 by 3 is common, pi is common. What is remain? R2 cube minus R1 cube. and put the values. Okay, so what is given? 2 upon 3, 22 by 7, R2 cube, R2 1.01 cube minus R1 1 cube. It is, understand it? So solve it. So it is 2 upon 3, 22 upon 7, and now so we will solve it. 1.01 cube. So it means 1.01, 1.01, 1.01. So you can remove decimal. 0, 0, 0. So what is come? It is come, I think, 100 into 1, 100, 1, 10, 0. 100 into 1, this one. Again, 101. So it is come. And how many zero? 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6. So it is come 1.030301 minus 1 cube. 1 you can write. So 2 upon 3 into 22 by 7, and 1 minus this one, what is remain? So this one is 3.031 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understand or not? So you will solve it and it is your answer. Understand it? So it is very easy questions. So you will do. So okay. So only 4 question is left. Question number 10 you will do yourself. Very easy question. We have to, in the 10th question, do yourself. Question number 10. In question number 10, a capsule. A capsule is made of a medicine. A capsule of medicine in the shape of a sphere. Yes. A capsule in the shape of sphere. And its diameter 3.5 diameter. And how much medicine is needed to fill the capsule? Yes. When you put the medicine inside, it means what we are using? Volume. To find the volume of this one. So that is 10th question. Okay. And so do yourself this one. Next is question number 7. Find the volume of sphere. Find the volume of sphere whose surface area. So write. So surface area of sphere is given 154, and surface area formula, surface area of sphere formula everyone know, 4 pi r square. So it is sphere, so it means it is equal to 4 pi r square equal to 154. So 4 into 22 by 7 r square 154. So 22 on the other side divide. So 22 7 ja. So it is 7 into 7 divided by 4. It is come 7 divided by 2. Radius is come 7 by 2 centimeter. So we have to find volume. Volume you can find. What is volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 you know. Pi we know. R we know. We can find this question. Okay. Only 2 question is left of this exercise, and then it is finished. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.